Canadian Mental Health Week is here to raise awareness. Mental health is an invisible ailment versus a physical one, which is easy to see. That's why it's harder to see in children. The Rock in Burlington and Halton Regional Police have joined together to make it less invisible.
Rock is an accredited children's mental health facility. We're the lead agency in Halton Region. We provide services to infants, children, youth, and their family from 0 to age 18.
It's estimated that nearly 1 in 5 Ontario children under the age of 19 experience a mental, emotional, or behavioral disorder that is severe enough to seriously affect their daily functioning at home, school, or within the community. That's why Halton Regional Police and The Rock have been working together on a protocol so this collaborative effort will end mental health in children.
We're going to have officers contact Rock when they come across youth in crisis so that we can get youth the help that they need, and we'll also develop a follow-up mechanism so that HRPS and Rock can work together to make sure that cases don't fall through the cracks. That's our intention.
Dr. Saunders stresses that learning how to cope with mental issues is the #1 lesson. Parents must take responsibility when children are still in infancy. Improper coping skills can lead to crisis, be it drugs, criminal charges, or even suicide. It can all be prevented.
And as kids get older and youth, the coping mechanisms that they may often use will become more and more dangerous. They become more and more risky. So with youth, sometimes they'll start getting into addictions. It's a way of coping. It's not a healthy way of coping, but it is a way of coping. So what we want to do with kids and youth is to really build in those healthy coping mechanisms. It starts in infancy when we're looking at babies. How do you respond to them? How do you respond to them in times of distress? How do you help them soothe? And how do you help people learn to start taking care of themselves and take responsibility for their own mental health, just like we take responsibility for our own physical health.
What makes The Rock unique is that they also offer walk-in services, and they have more than 10 locations across the Halton region. For more information, visit rockonline.ca. For Halton Insider, I'm Krista Sharpe.